With Brett Kavanaugh's confirmation still uncertain, the Supreme Court begins a new term without a ninth justice today. 8 currently sit on the high court, split between 4 conservatives and 4 liberals. Now that sets up the possibility of split decisions. Jan Crawford is at the Supreme Court. Jan, good morning. So tell us, what is the potential impact?
Well, it means that they could tie if the cases are really contentious or divisive. And, you know, the White House actually tried to avoid that by a timeline that they tried to follow when they nominated Brett Kavanaugh to the Supreme Court. It was expected he would go through his confirmation hearings and then be confirmed by the Senate in time to be on place when the justices return for this first Monday in October. But, of course, it didn't work out that way. So now we're in this prospect of a 4-4 tie in some of the more divisive cases. And we saw that when the court went vacant, or when that seat went vacant for 14 months after the death of Justice Antonin Scalia. But I don't think it's going to happen right away, because here's the thing. There are all these big cases on the horizon. You've got abortion, you've got gay rights, you've got immigration. But right now, they haven't taken them yet. So they've got kind of a bunch of, I don't want to say yawners, but they're not the kind of cases that are going to really divide the justices, divide the country. So it's less likely we're going to have a 4-4 tie in some of these early on cases. As the term goes on, that could well happen. And then if they split, that lower court decision would stand, or they would simply re-argue it again when the new justice joins the court. Gayle?
Hey, Jan, yawners really paints the picture. We get it. Thank you very much. We all understand what you mean.
I don't want to call it that, but, you know.
But we get it. We get it.
We won't be talking about those as much.
Exactly. Thank you, Jan.